today's video is going to be a winged eyeliner tutorial for hooded eyes and for beginners. This method works every single time. I use it every single time I do a winged eyeliner because it is just not in my blood to do a good winged liner. I just can't do it freehand. I literally can't. So let's get started. All right, you're gonna take a piece of tape. I know you've seen people tape their eyes for eyeshadow looks. We're gonna tape our eyes for liner today. Okay, you're gonna take a piece of tape about this long. I guess it needs to be a little bit longer than your wing. So what I'm gonna do is align it up with the very underneath my bottom lash line and angle it up towards this way. So I've heard people say, imagine your bottom lash line just keeps going. That's the way you wanna line it up. So you don't want it to be too far up this way, or your line is gonna go up that way. You don't want it to go too far because it's just gonna go straight down. So this does kind of take some practice, and you can do and redo as many times as you need to, because trust me, I do that. Or in part is to get it right underneath, because we're gonna use that to build the bottom of our line. And because I have hooded eyes, you can see where my crease stops, and I don't want the tape to be like right here, because then the winged part is gonna look all wonky if I line it up right there. Does that make sense? I hope so. We're gonna do the same method on this side to try to get that same angle. So we're gonna tuck it underneath the lashes, not right there at the crease, maybe a little bit lower. So like I said, you don't want to put it right here, because then your wing is going to be crazy looking. This technique works for eyeshadow, eyeliner, like liquid liner or pencil liner, anything that you want to do a wing on, this will do. Today I'm just using this Benefit roller liner. It doesn't matter what you use. I'm just going to do it and then do a voiceover so that I can clearly articulate what I'm doing, but you can see it as well, because I can't talk and do this at the same time and make it look good. Try to focus on like the way I'm holding my pen. Sometimes I go down like this, sometimes I go back like that. So really try to focus on that, then you can see what we do. I start off always by just lining my top line, and I try to go as thin as possible, but sometimes it doesn't work out because I get a little heavy-handed. So you're gonna see me switch between going back towards the back of my head just to draw the initial line, and then back towards my face. So I always point the pen back towards my head to draw that initial line, and then I move the pen back towards my face to fill that in. Another thing to note is that I'm constantly looking down so as not to get the wing into my hooded crease, because if you do, the wing will look very odd, and I'm sure you've seen it, I'm sure you've done it, I have before. It looks very odd when you just like look straight ahead. It doesn't look like a wing because it's messed up in your crease. So just make sure you're looking down the entire time. And you just want to go as far back as you feel comfortable with your wing. For this look, I'm just doing little baby wings, so I didn't go that far back, but if you are more adventurous and you like a big wing, then just draw it further back. That's what the tape is for. It's there to help guide you. And remember that they are sisters, not twins, okay? So I think this liner turned out so good. I had little baby wings, but that's okay. That's the way I kind of like it. This method just ensures that you get a perfect line every single time. And don't worry if you have to do and redo, or, you know, move your tape at some point, or, you know, just finagle it a little bit, because I still do that. I do that quite often. So just know that this is a learning process too. So don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it right the very first time. That's what the tape is here to help you with. It just is there to guide you. And hopefully one day, it's like a tricycle, not a tricycle. Yeah, a tricycle. One day you can maybe take your wheels off and try it freehand. I am not there yet. I still can't do it, and I don't know if I ever will. So that's okay. But I hope you guys learned a lot. Let me know if you've tried this method before, or if you have another method that you use that works well for you. Let me know down in the comments, and I'd love to learn from you guys as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was super informative, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like this if you liked it, and subscribe. I do have a beauty series going on my channel right now. Head over there if you want to learn about some affordable makeup that I have found that I absolutely love, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!